So um this one, guys. Okay, so this is the information that Google has given us. So let's copy the name. Okay, we have here. Mhm. So there's no information about who's the specific principal here, but we can always check, okay, deeper, right? But this time, let's say the basic ones. We are just going to copy the uh, address, the phone number. Because once you have the phone number, even though you don't have the name, you can ask for the name of the coordinator for events there by calling. So that's one way. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So there's no specific name of the school. Eleanor. Do we have that? Okay, yeah. This is the specific name. High School of Eleanor. Okay. This is the name. Alright. So this is your data entry sheet. And this is lead generation. You're looking for the possible clients that you will be having, or you can offer your services. Okay, next. Let's check this one. Okay. So we have another one. So just like that, copying it, pasting it, right? So easy for lead generation and data entry, because usually if you're going to look for people, of course you're gonna get the information, the addresses, the phone numbers, the email if it has, right? Because how you're going to contact them without those information? So we need to get them and copy and paste them in a sheet. Okay. So easy, right? Oh, I think I need to do this. Why? Oh, why? Hold on. I usually do the yeah, usually do the spacing and then put the number so that it will not um be doing like that. Okay. So then another one. Okay. So Xavier High School. No, they have Xavier also there. So let's copy this and get the number and the address. Okay. At least you know that that is the specific location of that school where you're calling in. So are we good? Right? We're good with this one. And then I have experience also. Okay. It's 120 pesos per hour. Okay, at that time I had 200, I mean 480. Okay, so what the client wants me to check is to check the spa in Singapore. So spa, so facial spa in Singapore. So that's the one I've looked for. Okay, at that time. So okay, we have here. It's easy, right? We are going to just click this. Okay. Mhm.